What's up, everybody? On today's episode, I'm going to be taking my 7-year-old cousin on his first motorcycle ride ever. Let's do it. I am surprising my cousin with a new motorcycle helmet, and I'm taking him to In-N-Out today. So he does not know I'm on the way. I got him a cool HJC helmet. I got him a cool little headset audio so he can talk to me while we ride. This kid's been waiting for a ride for a really long time, and so I'm really excited to be doing this. Let's do it.
What's up, Mom?
Hi! What's up, dude?
Are you taking a picture?
Cuz, take a picture of me. What's that? Oh! Yo, what's that, dude? Let me see. That's what he called you? What? We haven't finished yet. What's that? What is this? Whoa! Come. Yeah, dude. See what he called you.
Come in! Come in!
What, man? Yeah, you're looking good. You like it?
Look here.
You ready?
Look here.
You ready for the ride? So this.
No way.
That's so cool. All right, look. So now, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So now we can talk to each other while we're riding.
Okay.
Cool?
Cool.
Yeah, we're connected. All right, ready, dude?
Yeah. How do I get on?
Hold on. I'll get you on. Okay, duty. Your feet go here, okay? Don't touch this. Okay?
If you touch this, Bubba, this will be.
It's very hot, okay? I'm gonna pick you up. Put your legs out.
Open your leg.
Okay, let me tighten this real quick. Duty?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. No problem. Have fun.
Ready? Tight? Let's do it. You good, dude? You having fun? Good. Want things up? You want to leave it on? Okay. You like riding the motorcycle?
But does mine have the camera thing on it?
Yours doesn't have a camera thing. You want a camera thing? Yeah. Yeah, I have to get you a camera thing. I'll put one on the top right here for you, and then we can see everything you see. How about that? Okay, next time, yeah?
It looks like mine.
It does, right? It kind of does. And then look, if you get hot, it has vents so air can go in it. And right here too.
I like that.
Yeah, you like that?
Wait, can I talk to you from your house to my house?
No, we have to be close. Okay, let me get our food, okay? Ooh, look at that.
Which one?
Yeah, that one's yours. All right, lift your hands. Nice.
Wait, is there In-N-Out next to where you live?
Yeah, there's In-N-Out next to where I live.
In-N-Out, you think is better?
I don't know, let me try this one.
I think this one. When you first try your burger, you change this your mind.
Look one.
I told you to change your mind.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, come here. What? What? It looks new. Oh, blue because of your glasses.
You're talking about Yogurtland?
Yeah, Yogurtland.
Oh, I know it is.
Is there one here?
Yeah, it's close, I think. What does it Yogurtland?
All right. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm ready. Are you? You good? Duty!
Phone disconnected.
Can you close that earphone? The earphone.
Alright. Excuse us. Creamy, the vanilla. The mixture. Just move your hand in a circle.
That's it, that's it.
Push it down.
That's it.
That's it? Alright, let's go. Put toppings on. That's it?
I don't know.
That's okay. Get however much you want. You too. Yes, I can hear you now. Hold on, dude.
Okay.
All right. Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, look over here. Look over here. Say hi. Hi. Is it scary when we go through the cars? Good. Everyone's looking at you, dude. You're so cool. All right, we're home. You want to go a little more or you want to go home?
Yeah, a little more.
A little more?
Yeah.
All right.